In Google Analytics, you can organize your analytics using accounts, properties, and views. Your account is where you organize all the websites and apps that are related to your business and manage users. Properties are each website or app that you will track. It is where you can link up data from other Google products like AdWords and the Search Console, and also where you can find the tracking code to put in your website. Finally, each view contains the good stuff. This is where your analytics data is stored in whatever customized ways you want to save it. For example, you can create a view that filters out data from your own visits to your website. Google recommends that you save the automatic view as raw data without any filters, a test view where you can try out new filters, and a master view that is like raw data but with the most basic filters that you tested and applied. Views only store data going forward from the moment you create it. Going forward, never back. Only forward. The Analytics interface has a home screen with a default dashboard of useful information about your internet marketing efforts. The real-time menu shows people on your website and apps right now. The audience report shows the demographics, location, behavior, and technology of the people who have looked at your stuff. Acquisition shows how people found you, including direct, paid search, display, and organic searches, as well as where they landed in your site. Behavior allows you to see how people have navigated and interacted with your site, including what pages and in what order, how long they hung around, and the bounce rate, which defines people who only looked at one page. Conversions take some additional setup, but they can show you when you meet a business goal, like selling a product or making a client contact. You set up analytics tracking on a website by copying the tracking code and inserting it into your website's code, just after the head tag. Some web hosts automate the process so you don't have to deal with the coding, but can simply enter your analytics account number. You can also create code for specific events, like watching a video, filling out a contact form, or clicking a link, unless your host is Squarespace. Each time a page, event, or sale happens that includes functioning analytics code, the data goes to analytics and is referred to as a hit. You can also customize hits and page views to track specific marketing campaigns that you design. You can track almost anything with Google Analytics. Another way to look at data is to use segments. This is a way of looking at your data in customized ways without damaging the data in your view. You can segment out your data in reports if you are curious about certain things, like how many returning users are on tablets, or how many men between 20 and 35 years old only visited one page. Again, it is like filtering data out, but in Google Analytics, this is called a segment. There is lots more you can do with analytics. I mean, you can track things in amazing detail, set it all up with monetary value, customize reports and filters and segments to your heart's content, and put your favorite views in your very own dashboard to watch the numbers roll in just the way that makes sense to you. But for now, that's a quick recap of Google Analytics.